Hello and welcome back to Luxury and Exotic Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into a world where automotive excellence meets ultimate travel luxury. Imagine the engineering prowess of Bugatti, now reimagined as a motorhome. That's right, this isn't just any RV, it's the Bugatti Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends hypercar performance, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology into a rolling palace. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll explore every angle, inside and out, and see why this motorhome is truly in a class of its own. From its jaw-dropping exterior design to its meticulously crafted interior, from high-end performance engineering to innovative technology, we'll leave no stone unturned. Buckle up, this is a ride you won't forget. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the Bugatti Motorhome demands attention. Inspired by the Chiron, it features the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille, sculpted body lines, and aerodynamic contours that make it not just luxurious but strikingly dynamic. The multi-layered paintwork catches light in a way that changes with every angle, and carbon fiber elements not only reduce weight but also add a futuristic aesthetic. The headlights are full LED, designed for maximum visibility while keeping with Bugatti's signature styling. The alloy wheels are bespoke, hand-finished, and designed to complement the motorhome's overall aesthetic. Even the mirrors and door handles are crafted with attention to detail, ensuring that every inch reflects the luxury of the brand. And don't overlook the aerodynamic roofline. Not only does it look sleek, but it improves driving efficiency and stability at higher speeds. From the rear, you notice integrated exhausts and a tail design reminiscent of a sports car rather than a traditional motorhome. Every angle of this vehicle is a statement. It's both a head-turner and a performance machine on wheels. Step inside, and you immediately realize that Bugatti hasn't compromised on comfort or luxury. The interior is a perfect balance of craftsmanship, technology, and design. Starting with the cockpit, it feels more like a hypercar cabin than a traditional motorhome. Premium leather, Alcantara trims, and precision stitching showcase Bugatti's attention to detail. The driver-centric controls are intuitive, allowing for a seamless blend of performance and luxury. The living area is nothing short of spectacular. Think of it as a boutique hotel on wheels. Soft leather sofas, ambient LED lighting, and handcrafted wood paneling create a warm yet opulent environment. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views while traveling, and blackout curtains ensure privacy when needed. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including induction cooktops, a refrigerator, microwave, and even a wine cooler, perfect for long journeys or entertaining guests. The bedroom is designed for ultimate relaxation. A memory foam mattress, adjustable lighting, climate control, and integrated storage make it a haven after a long drive. The bathroom continues the luxury theme, featuring high-quality fixtures, a spacious shower, and smart lighting. Bugatti has truly thought of everything, ensuring that both driver and passengers travel in unmatched comfort. Now let's talk performance. While a motorhome isn't typically associated with speed, the Bugatti Motorhome is a different breed. It borrows high-performance engineering from Bugatti's hypercars, featuring a powerful engine capable of smooth, responsive acceleration. The adaptive suspension ensures that even on longer trips, the ride is exceptionally comfortable, while the braking system is robust enough to provide complete control, even in emergency situations. The handling is surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. Unlike traditional motorhomes, which can feel cumbersome on winding roads, the Bugatti Motorhome offers confidence-inspiring stability and precision steering. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating scenic routes, it feels composed, refined, and exhilarating. Bugatti has loaded this motorhome with cutting-edge technology and advanced safety features. The infotainment system is fully integrated, offering navigation, media, and connectivity options. Climate control is smart and adaptive, keeping the cabin perfectly comfortable no matter the weather. And every section of the motorhome has customizable ambient lighting, creating the perfect mood for both day and night travel. Safety is another area where Bugatti excels. The motorhome features 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and parking assist systems. Even with its large dimensions, these features make driving intuitive, confident, and safe. It's clear that no detail was overlooked. From passenger safety to driver convenience, Bugatti has set a new standard for luxury motorhome engineering. Unparalleled luxury and craftsmanship, reflecting Bugatti's hypercar heritage. Advanced technology and safety systems. Extremely comfortable interiors with high-end materials and finishes. Unique design that turns heads wherever it goes. High-performance engine with remarkable handling for a vehicle of this size. Cons. Price is astronomical, making it accessible to only the ultra-wealthy. Limited availability. This is a niche, exclusive vehicle. Despite its performance, it's still a large motorhome, limiting off-road capabilities. Maintenance and servicing costs are likely to be significant. Opening square bracket. So, what's the final verdict? The Bugatti Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a statement. For those who value luxury, performance, and exclusivity, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of automotive travel. It's ideal for those who want the comfort of a high-end hotel and the engineering excellence of a Bugatti, all while on the open road. This isn't just about transportation, it's about making every journey an experience. With its breathtaking design, impeccable interiors, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance capabilities, the Bugatti Motorhome is a game-changer in the world of luxury travel. It's not just a motorhome, it's the ultimate fusion of automotive engineering and luxury lifestyle. That concludes our in-depth review of the Bugatti Motorhome here on Luxury and Exotic Car Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive reviews of the world's most luxurious and exotic vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.